Learn AI with Microsoft. A free 12-week online course for beginners. Enroll now and get access to 24 engaging lessons on symbolic AI, neural networks, computer vision, NLP, and more. Hands-on exercises, quizzes, and labs using TensorFlow and PyTorch. Expert guidance and ethical AI principles. A certificate of completion. Don't miss this opportunity to start your AI journey with Microsoft. Link will be in description. Register today and join thousands of Microsoft learners who are discovering the power and potential of artificial intelligence. Link will be in description.